Hi, this is Michelle with Michelle's Macarons, and today we're going to talk about how to fix sunken macarons. So if your macarons look good, they've got feet, everything else looks good, but you take them out of the oven and they're just kind of sunken in, this could be why. If you haven't already, go watch this video and I will show you step by step how to make macarons. And then if you're still having some trouble, come watch this. The number one reason is not baking long enough. I feel like we could pretty much just end the video here. That's probably why. So make sure you have an oven thermometer, put it in there and watch it and see that it's staying at the same temperature and make sure it is the temperature you think it is. So that is the most important part. I put a link to my favorite oven thermometer in the description, but honestly, any oven thermometer is good as long as it works. But usually this is because you've baked it, it's at the right temperature because it's got the good feet, and then you take it out and it just starts to deflate a little bit. That's usually what's wrong when they're sinking. Try that first. That will probably fix it. But if not, once again, it could be oily almond flour. So I've mentioned this before, but go to the Facebook group, free Facebook group full of macaron bakers. Is there 15,000 in there now? Either way, you'll definitely get an answer. Go there and search your almond flour that you're using or ask a question and see how long people are baking it. But you could bake it at a low temperature in your oven, very low for like half hour, whatever people say in the group. And that will kind of help with that oiliness. Definitely try the baking a little longer first. Now, overmixing your macaronage could also be a problem. So when you are folding, if you fold too long, they'll look fine until you pipe them out, they look good, until you bake them and then let them cool, then it will kind of start to sink in. Now, so go check out this video and this video to really make sure you're getting your macaronage right. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it to be notified whenever I come out with a new video. Okay, another reason could be under-whipped meringue. Like I talked about in these two videos, you need that meringue to be whipped up to give it that height. So if you're having problems with like short feet on your macarons, go watch this video if you are. That could be from under-whipping your meringue because you're not giving it enough air to kind of push it up a bit. Still try to bake it longer first, do that. But if that doesn't work, try maybe whipping your meringue a little longer. Okay, another reason that the tops could be sunken is letting the batter sit too long before you pipe it. So this is a problem that I had a lot when I started doing multiple batches when I moved into the bakery because I was doing my regular batch times 5. So I really had to pipe as fast as I could. And the ones towards the end were the ones that were getting the sunken shells. If your first trays are good from the same batch, and then the last ones are the bad ones, consider that. I had to half the batch until I got my piping down fast enough that I could get them all piped out quickly. So if that's going on, you could just half the batch until you're faster at piping and just really making sure you're not letting, once you start the meringue, once you turn it on, you're not letting it sit at all. If you want to start selling your baked goods, join the email list below. I have a course called the Home Bakery Blueprint where you can work with me to start and grow your home bakery business. If you'd like, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll put those links in the description. Okay, check out these other macaron videos. Okay, love you, bye.